I am going to say something about the Radha Krishna's speech on the occasion was memorable. This speech is taken from 1946 to 1952 UNESCO. Dr. Radha Krishna's speech on the occasion was memorable. No false word should escape our lips. No wrong thought should enter the mind. I am concerned that we in this body should stand above politics and for universal value. Nehru said, whenever he bent his words, brought comfort to the people, and his own wisdom brought people nearer to each other. While in England, Dr. Radha Krishnan delivered sermons from church pupils at Oxford, Manchester, Liverpool, and Birmingham, saying that religion consists in doing justice, in loving mercy, and in making our fellow creatures happy. No non-Christians had done this before him. Christians had done this before him. Tagore had earlier delivered sermons at Europe cathedrals, but never in England. Dr. Radha Krishnan sermons, later published as East and West in religion, were widely lauded. Now, Vice President in May 1952, Dr. Radha Krishnan became the country's Vice President. The veteran journalist K. Rama Rao, once a member of Rajya Sabha, wrote, the life and soul of the house was its chairman, S. Radha Krishnan. As one looked on him, one left, one was looking on a true son of Saraswati. It was an honor to sit in a house over which the great Sarpalli President, a man of international reputation and a speaker of rare eminence, Dr. Radha Krishnan, always kept a watchful eye on the rights of the opposition, and no rule could ugly and repulsive behavior by the members was ever allowed. President Venkat Ramana observed, latitude was shown but no laxity allowed. Honor was encouraged, but Philippines kept our expression was not curbed, but lung power never allowed to overwhelm debates. Dr. Radha Krishnan conducted the proceedings of the House less by rules and more by the waving of his hand. His beginning personality had a soothing effect on the members of the House. M.S. Gurupad Swami excellently recalled the dignity rather than levelity, humor rather than slender criticism, rather than abuse, and satire rather than vulgarity marked the character of debates. Harmony instead of acrimony and upper hand. Now, in the BHU Birla House, Calcutta, I am going to his letter, August 20, 1939, written by M.M. Malviya. Dear Vice Chancellor, owing to my weak health, I am retiring from the Vice Chancellor of the Banaras Hindu University. I invited Professor Sir Radha Krishnan to take up the Vice Chancellorship of the Banaras Hindu University on the same terms on which he is holding his office by King George V, Professor of Philosophy. He is willing to give up the work in Calcutta and to take up the Vice Chancellorship at Banaras as a paid appointment. But he is willing to take up the Vice Chancellorship in Banaras as an honorary appointment, provided the Calcutta University gives its consent to the arrangements. Banaras will be very great to have Professor Sir Radha Krishnan as a Vice Chancellor even under these terms. I shall feel grateful if the Calcutta University will give its consent to the arrangements. I shall feel much obliged if you and the syndicate of the Calcutta University will have any request considered at an early date. This is written by M.M. Malviya to the Vice Chancellor, Calcutta University, Calcutta. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Thank you very much.